Rainy day, project day. So I just lubed up the chains, cleaned and lubed the chains, I should say. 2 of the 3 bites have center stands, so it was easy. My T120 doesn't, so I just jacked it up to do the chain. I'll explain all the rags on the INT in a moment. So the chain is nice, clean and lubed. Now you'll notice this. This is where the tank pad sat. On both sides, obviously. Now I've just finished getting this one off, and they were cheap and nasty. If you looked at an earlier video of mine, you would have seen that I didn't like the edge of the pad where it looks like he was glued it on there after the fact. It was really nasty. So I've taken the pad off this side. It did leave quite a bit of residue, even though I got it really hot with a hairdryer. So it must have been a cheap pad to start with. But now I'm not sure what to do. Do I want to put another pad back on? Because that chrome is now fully exposed in full glory, and I don't know if I want to cover it. But I also don't want to risk scratching the chrome with my knees as I ride. So I have a question for you. Will you INT 650 Mark II paint scheme owners, have you taken your pad off? And if so, have you had any scratches on your tank? So let me know, please. I'd really appreciate it. I'm on the fence about this. I don't want to scratch it because it is such a beautiful piece of work. But I also think that looks really nice. Completely exposed. And I'm sure it will catch the sun beautifully if it ever comes back. You see, right now we've got a rain day. Another one every bloody weekend. We seem to get rain. Let me know what you think. I'm very, very interested. I'm using a glue remover, like a glue gun, to get the tank pad off. And it's coming off pretty well, but it's taking a bit of elbow grease. No scratches, thankfully. So let me know what you think. I really appreciate it. See you in the next one. Cheers. While I think of it too, in one of my videos I kept referring to these grips as hush puppy grips. That is incorrect. They are grip puppy grips, not hush puppy grips. I was getting them confused with well, it's just old age, you're getting confused with shoes. These are called grip puppies, not hush puppies. They are super comfortable. They install really quickly over the top of the regular INT grips that came stock with the bike. And they do add that little bit of cushioning because I've said before, well, these are almost bicycle-like grips and not at all good for hitting bumps on a motorcycle at 50 plus miles an hour. You definitely feel the shock through your hands. So these really help. Grip puppies, not hush puppies. I say again, grip puppies. There you go.